What's happening, people? Welcome back to the channel. This is the last video, thank Christ, on this Seat Ibiza. That is touch wood. So far, as you've seen previously, we've done engine swap, slave cylinder and turbo, and off camera we have done the oil filter housing gasket. I think I've got one laying about somewhere. We changed this. It's common for going. This one isn't too bad, but basically they chip away and the paint comes away from them, which causes them to leak. So that's what we've done so far. Today is test drive review of the car. I've got to move a couple of bits out of the unit and hopefully we're good to go and I can get driving this, go and get some breakfast, get it cleaned up and get it put up for sale today. If anyone's interested, hit us in the comment section. Well, head over to our Instagram, drop your number, I'll give you a call, and yeah, hopefully we can make a sale out of this. So let's get cracking. Right, certainly guys, so far no smoke. I've not taken it for a drive yet, literally just about to do that now. I just need to insure it. Well, it's insured under trade, but I'm going to personally insure it now. Fingers crossed it goes all right. Right, let's go. First little drive. Oh, will they work? See how this goes. Oh, I'm a bit nervous for this, I'll be honest with you. Sounds like there's a does sound like there's a little rattle coming from the chain, which isn't great. I shouldn't swear. Oof. Well, that was a little bit of stink. So I don't want to razz it because obviously the turbo's brand new, so a little bit of I'll start it now just because I want to concentrate on driving, like when we get onto the roads and that. So basically, turbo blew, as you can see in this last little segment. Brand new turbo we got from Best Turbos. I got in contact with a person there, and it was the best service I've ever had from a company. It went above and beyond. They sent me 2 gaskets out just in case one was, you know, one broke or whatever, or I needed more. It was next day postage coming up to Christmas. Like, I think I got it Christmas Eve, and he sent it Christmas Eve as people say. So it's it was such a good service. Oh, windows broke. It was, yeah, sorry, it was such a good service. I can't recommend them enough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put their website in the link in the description, and basically I just want you to message them and say LBMotors sent you, just so they know they're getting a little bit of love for what they do. Because hands down, well, so far so good. It's a bloody good turbo. Like, reconditioned, they do hybrids, remaps, DPF deletes, and they're just at your beck and call if you need them. Yeah, so hopefully the turbo, I don't think the turbo is going to fail. I think it'll be the rest of the bloody car. But so far, a little bit of boost, a little bit of smoke, but we did have oil pissing out into the DPF, so I'm just hopeful that this is going to go fucking okay. My window won't go up there, that's the only problem. Seat Ibiza. Oh, it's a Seat thing. We had to do this on the Alti, and it's bloody annoying. So I am just going to do a little left-hander down here. I'm in a car that I fixed. So, just gonna pull up here and double hand this bloody window. No. No. Oh. She's up! I'm not doing a window regulator on that at all. Right, so just driving it now, as you can see, I've got Lee in the car now. It is bellowing out smoke.
It's not bellowing.
It is, but I think it's just where it's burning off. We're now at a DPF. We're now at a good temperature, but it's all the way up the road. It's like it's foggy out now. So, but it feels really smooth, and it's quite a nice motor. Like, just poodling on at 60, just under 2,000 revs. It is a bit of blue. Oh, the nerves are real.
Yeah, but also you got to think that engine was palleted on a pallet. There's been no ancillaries on it, chucked around in the lorry, so oil could have got where it shouldn't have got, and that could cause a bit of smoke.
Yeah. Right, we're just going to, where are we going, Lee?
B&Q car.
B&Q car. Cleared off when I just give it some guns then.
Did it?
But it's now...
It's at idle then. Leave it to run.
Bonnet's your side. Oh!
That's coming from the back of the turbo. Right. Or is it just the
I don't know if you guys can see that. Smoke in there. That's not us. That's paint. So what happens when you have to test drive cars? Stuff goes wrong. It's not gone wrong, but stuff burns off because it's at the right temperature.
Yeah, I mean, when you look at that, that's where the DPF bolts for the exhaust. Oh, and it's just oil residue.
Yeah.
Don't forget, you did chuck quite a lot down here.
No, I never.
You did. By going,
Let's keep going. Lee can drive it back now because I'm done. Right, what's happening, guys? We've just had it cleaned. I'm going to put a couple of pictures in this video of the car, but I'll do a walk around when I get to my house now. So we've just had it cleaned, ready to be put up for sale. So far so good. Obviously where we left you at B&Q, we drove it back and it just stopped burning oil. Like, you know, it's like it just cleared up sort of straight away. So since then, it's been absolutely fine. Not that it was missing a beat or anything. It was just so I'm trying to pull out of the junction talking to a camera. Jesus. Yeah, so I've got Lee following me now. Just because we're going up to my house to drop this off, so we don't have to go up the yard and it be all dirty and everything. So yeah, what was I saying? So like I said in the start of this video, we got this turbo from Best Turbos, and as it stands right now, I cannot fault it. The turbo picks up like it feels. I never drove this factory with the old turbo on, but Lee did, and he said it feels exactly the same as what it did. So it's, in my opinion, thanks. it's well worth ordering from them. And every well, if we buy a car that's got another turbo that's blown, I will have no problems ringing them up and ordering a turbo straight away. Seamless transaction, everything that every question that I threw at them, they answered. I accidentally sent my turbo back with all the bits that I needed for the new turbo. As soon as it arrived, they took them all off and sent it back to me first class. So you don't really meet many companies like that would do that. So I'm happy with the car, happy with the turbo, and so far so good. So when we get to mine, I'm going to close this video out. It's only going to be a short and sweet. The only thing we need to do is the buttoning up side of it. So under trays and the heat shield needs to go back on the turbo. But that is it. The car is done, dusted, you know, and when it comes to sale, it'll be another little valet just to clear it up a little bit. So yeah, fingers crossed, guys, we can get this one out the door and get another car in, because this series hasn't really been the best. We understand that and we know that. So fuel lights just come on, brilliant. Yeah, so it's not been great for you guys, and I appreciate everyone who tuned in, but hopefully we can move on to something bigger and better now. So right, back at my house now, guys, and that's it. Lee's just getting through the paperwork now, but that's all. Seat, not the Skoda. Oh, Dave. Yeah, so we'll say goodbye, because this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, it really does help. Lee's not interested in being in this again. Cool, doesn't it look like I've got bald head? There we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you push the bell notification and subscribe. It is free. Thanks, guys.